So hey, I made these salads up the other day. They got spinach, romaine lettuce. I can't eat the iceberg lettuce. I don't like it. And it don't have any nutritional value at all. I sort of copied the Fiesta salad from the Mexican trailer down the road. I really like that. And they put a grilled chicken on it, but I don't do a grilled chicken in mine. Alright, so let me remember what I put in it. I got a big bowl, and I got a bag of spinach and a bag of romaine. It was a romaine mix. It already had some onion, some bell pepper. I also stopped at the Walls IGA, which is by my work on the way home, and they have stuff that's already cut up. Okay, so that just really works out for me to have bell pepper already cut up in a little bowl, the red onion already cut up in a little bowl, and some yellow and orange, different colored bell peppers was already cut up. I got some corn because that's what's in the Fiesta salad. I put an avocado in there, but I'm going to do that different next time because I've had these every day this week and my avocado's a little old, so it makes my salad look ugly. So I'll do that different next time. And banana peppers. I got banana peppers in here. I've been having the dangest time trying to find a salad dressing that's healthy and I like. I love ranch, but I'm lactose intolerant. So I was going to Wendy's and getting their salads, which henceforth is the reason that I started making up my own salads, because the jokers is $10 a piece, and I took a picture of one. I'm going to insert that picture right there. And it was like nothing, and it was $10. I'll show you the receipt. And the cranberries and the apples, would you believe the apple that Walls IGA has those already in a little container? If I wanted to get the little cranberries, I could put them in my salad, but I don't. I don't do the cranberries. I don't do the pecans. It was on the apple salad. I thought about doing the apple, but herefore again, I wanted something that I could make up. I'm using these little Goober peanut butter jars, where when we had the grandkids over, I used that Goober peanut butter jelly that's all mixed, and then I saved the jars, and I forgot what I was saying. I make them up in these jars, so I think the apple might be like the avocado. I don't know. I haven't done this yet. I just started this, so it's a trial and error, a work in progress. Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for coming over and watching our video.